Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Hp Color LaserJet Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up the password from Embedded web server. How to set up password for the settings of this printer. So firstly, you need to open your Embedded web server and click settings. Then just find security here and choose password settings, and here you will see your username and you can change the password. First you need to create a password, of course, so I will create a password, then just click apply. Okay, I need to try again. Oh, I need to have a special character. So, okay, I will try another password. Okay. So, you have prompts to the password create. Click allow. The changes have been updated successfully. Click OK, and now to log in to your Embedded web server, you need to enter your username and your new password. And great! That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.